Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a look at the second part of my LB&SCR project with the B1 and E4. So let's start off with the B1. This express steam engine was built by Stroudley, as you can tell by the chimney, dome and tender. This loco was my first tender engine, built in May 2020, more than a year ago. This engine had a pretty big overhaul, and I still need to finish her paintwork. Now let's move on to the E4. This is my only 062 tank engine and I am very happy with it. The first time I built this engine was back in April 2020 and it had a Southern Railway olive green livery. But then I rebuilt it in this LB&SCR amber livery. So, now you've seen all the engines of my LB&SCR project. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, like this video and comment it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye! So yeah, this is my voice. I know, it sucks. I'm 15 really, but it doesn't show it. And sorry also for the horrible Italian accent. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.